Hi, today is April 7th, 2018, and I'm on my throne. I was talking about Bonnie Holly, and I got a chance to talk to him today, and I'll be going over there. Ooh, butterfly just passed. I'll be going over there today. Something told me to call him, and I did. Ooh, another butterfly. I don't know if you can see that. Um, and I called, and voicemail was full, and I was thinking, I wonder why I got that message, but glad I listened. I got a call back from him today. So we talked, and I'll be going over shortly, but I wanted to get my walk in before going. About the kazoos, I took some down for these two bamboo trees here. They were all the way down to the ground, and they were being suffocated. On that particular day, the wind was blowing, and I was able to hear the trees. So I was thinking, these bamboo trees, and I was thinking, I think they're speaking to me. And I heard something say afternoon. I didn't come back that afternoon. I came back several months later during the afternoon. But I did cut the kudzu off. And then I realized during the winter, there's a butterfly again. During the winter months, everything died. So I was like, ugh, maybe I did that for nothing. But uh, I'm realizing that it's spring and they're budding. They're budding again. So I was looking at this tree that's surrounded by, and it's so tight on the tree. It's all the way up there. I just noticed the kudzu. So what I think I'm gonna do, because it's budding, I guess it's perennial, comes back. They bud every year. I'm gonna bring my knife, and I see a good place right here. And I can cut it. That'll be great. Oh, it's so strong. So that's what I'm gonna do. I have to remember to do that so that this tree will be okay as well. This is something that Lonnie and I did together at different times. I can't remember, but I brought these newer looking silk flowers out. And I meant to come, the butterfly, for my mom's Earth Day. I didn't make it out here, so I have this here. And I'm going to add this for my ancestors, my mom and my ancestors. So I'm going to go hug the tree over there. Now it says Hug Life. And make my walk and go back so I can meet Lonnie. So got a new hairstyle today.